Now your Storm Tracker team forecast with Taylor Hunt.
Welcome back, everyone. Looking just outside the station, sitting at 76 degrees. It's quite mild and lovely right now. Just seeing a few of those stratus clouds outside, reminiscent of those storms that we saw earlier today. And speaking of storms, why are we having all of these storms? Well, we have an excess amount of water vapor in our atmosphere right now. If you see down here by the Baton Rouge area, we see a few bubbles of green, and that means that we are sitting in an oppressive state of this water vapor right now. And this is why we are sandwiched in between two high pressure systems. And of course, that means we're going to have a lot of northerly flow into our region, bringing us some of that moisture from the Gulf. And of course, all the air on top of the Gulf is very moisture rich and very warm. So that's why we've been trending a bit warm and a bit muggy, unfortunately. Your lows tonight are going to sit in the mid 70s, 74 here in Baton Rouge, 72 up in Woodville. All of our counties up in Mississippi are staying quite on average, but of course here down in Louisiana we like to take things a little bit further. We're just a little bit above average, sitting in those mid to upper 70s like down in Morgan City. For tomorrow, you can expect to see temperatures ranging just about 90 degrees. I don't think we will actually hit 90 degrees because we're going to have 2 rounds of some weather tomorrow, of some of those more scattered T-storms like we saw today, and this is what that looks like. Monday, early in the morning hours, it's going to be quite clear. We're going to have some overcast skies, but then by the time we are all settled at work, maybe sitting at our desks, we're going to start seeing some of those pops of shower move into the area, move through to lunchtime. We have a little bit of a lull here in the Baton Rouge metro for about 1 or 2 hours, but then a second line makes its way through the area because of a cold front to our north. Here is a look at your 7-day forecast, seeing a lot of rain through the next week until Friday. Friday, we could see a shift in the weather pattern, where instead of that trough that we were seeing earlier, we could see a ridge set up in place, which is going to make us a little bit drier and a little bit warmer. So we have some of those temperatures on Friday through Sunday ranging in the mid 90s instead of the upper 80s and lower 90s that we've been seeing this past week.
Thanks so much, Taylor. Well, coming up, trading blows.